Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about another simple machine, that is wheel and axle. Wheel is one of the most important inventions of humankind. All vehicles move on wheels. The wheel and axle machine together form a simple machine. There are many machines in our day-to-day life that consist of wheel and axle. Today I am going to show you some of the machines.
One of the example of wheel and axle is a bicycle. You can see in the bicycle, this is the bigger wheel and the smaller axle. The bigger wheel is having the large diameter and the axle is having the small diameter. And this bicycle consists of wheel and axle. When we apply force on the axle, the bigger wheel moves. So bicycle is the example of wheel and axle. Larger wheel and the smaller axle. Larger wheel with a big diameter, axle with the small diameter.
Another example of wheel and axle is the swing machine. In swing machine also, this is the bigger wheel and the axle that help us to rotate the big wheel. So swing machine also consists of wheel and axle. The bigger wheel helps to move the smaller axle. Axle is the smaller cylinder and the wheel is the bigger cylinder. Another example of a wheel and axle is this hand blender. In this we can see that this is a larger wheel and this is the axle. This axle helps to rotate this wheel. So this is also the example of wheel and axle. This is the axle with smaller cylinder and this is the wheel with larger cylinder. So this is also the example of wheel and axle. One more example of wheel and axle is the drilling machine. Here you can see the bigger cylinder helps to rotate the smaller cylinder. The smaller cylinder is the axle and the bigger cylinder is the wheel. You can see the bigger cylinder helps to rotate the smaller cylinder. So this
another simplest machine, that is an inclined plane. So it is a sloping surface. You can see it is a sloping surface which used to raise the heavy load easily. So one end of this sloping surface is at a higher level and the other end of this sloping surface is at a lower level. So this simple machine we use in our everyday life, and you can see this is another inclined plane in which I am going to push this heavy load, and you can see I can easily pull up this load. So if the angle of inclination is lesser, so we can pick up heavy load easily. And the other case is when the angle of inclination is decreases, we need to put more effort to pick up the heavy load. You must have noticed different examples from your surroundings that are concerned with the inclined plane. One of the very common example, that is a slide in the park, and other example, ramps in the hospitals. Do you remember the ramp of our school which you used earlier to move up to your classes and to come down from your classes? So children, you have learned that inclined plane is a sloping surface with which you can pick up the heavy load easily.